Okay, so I'll just explain how to join the Facebook group for Men Rights India. So I have just opened the post which explains how to join our WhatsApp and Facebook groups. If you go down a little bit, you can see Facebook group for discussions. Here, there are two steps you have to follow. You have to fill up this form, which will submit it to us, and we will review it. And if we find that everything is okay, we will approve your request to join the Facebook group. And then you have to send a joining request through Facebook onto this group. So, needless to say, you need to have a Facebook account before you are able to join our Facebook group. And the reason we have, a form to fill up is because we do not want advocates and people who want to advertise their company or business, or somebody who just wants to hang around in a Facebook group. So we want to avoid all that kind of folks. So that's the reason we need to fill up this form. And I'll just show what all is there in this form. Basically, you have your name, your Facebook username, and email ID, and hometown, current location, date of birth, gender, of course, male. We do not allow females, but the box is still there. A profession, because if you are, a lawyer or somebody, then we want to be careful with that. And in the reason to join group, you can give, whatever problem you might have, whether it's a false case, a threat, false sexual harassment, marital problem, any kind of issue. And if you have any cases already filed on you, for example, CRPC 125, 498 DB Act, you can mention that also. But it's not necessary that you need to have a legal case on you. If you just have some problem in your married life or any kind of another issue, you can just mention it briefly, and mobile number, and then so we have actually check boxes for any cases if you have already filed. If you do not have any case, you can click this, and that will be all. Non-marital cases, for people who do not have issue from a wife, but let's say they have a IPC 354, a molestation case, or some kind of a live-in relationship kind of issue, you can mention that. And in case you have a case filed on you, just mention the city where it's filed, and then you submit the form. So that's about it. And that will be all. So see you there in the Facebook group.